Good morning, class 10th. In the subject mathematics today, we will continue our chapter similar triangles. And here today we will discuss one important theorem of class 10th which is asked as a proof in your board examination. So wherever I will put star marks, those theorems proof you have to remember by heart because it makes a direct question in your board examinations. And proof of these theorems you have to know, as well as later on you have to apply directly them in your problems. So your first theorem is basic proportionality theorem, which is also called Thales theorem after it was discovered by mathematician Thales. So statement of the theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides other two sides in the same ratio. So this is the statement which you have to prove. If means given, and then you have to prove it divides other two sides in the same ratio when a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So you have to see what is the statement and accordingly you have to then prove. So every proof is given in terms of the headings given to prove construction and proof supported by your regions. So first you will draw the figure as I have drawn here, a triangle ABC given in which DE is parallel to BC. To prove AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Then construction is required here to prove the theorem because given informations are not sufficient. So draw EF is perpendicular to AB and DG is perpendicular to AC and join BE and CD as drawn in the figure. Then you write proof. Area of triangle ADE is half base into height. That is, base is AD and its corresponding altitude is EF. So half AD into EF. Then area of triangle BD is also here. Half base into height, that is half BD into EF. So you will BD into EF. As you see here, the triangle BDE clearly in the figure, half base into height, altitude will remain same as EF because D lies on AB. Then dividing equation by equation 2, I have not written here by 2, so you write divide equation 1 by 2, you will get area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE equal to AD upon BD. Half will cancel, EF will cancel. So your third equation is area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BD is AD upon BD. Similarly, you can prove area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC equal to AE upon EC using same argument. If you will consider triangle ADE, its base AE and altitude DG, and similarly triangle DEC and its altitude DG, you will get this equation 4. But since you have proved one time this type of result, so similar result you can always write directly. So similarly as written, we can prove area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC equal to AE upon EC. That is equation 4. But you see in the figure, area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle DEC. This you have read in class 9th. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. As DE is parallel to BC and same base is DE. And between same parallels DE and BC, both the triangles are lying, therefore they are equal in area. You can use this reason, it is necessary to mention. And now if you see equation 3, 4 and 5, you will conclude AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC, and hence it is proved that you can write QED. Then question number 1. In the given figure, if PQ is parallel to MN, I have solved here one direct question based on BPT. Then find the value of X when you are given LP is X and PM is 8 and LQ is 3 and QN is 5. So you are given PQ is parallel to MN. Therefore, using BPT in triangle LMN, you can say basic proportionality theorem as BPT in abbreviation, you can call it. And LP upon PM equal to LQ upon QN by above result that we have proved, putting the values X upon 8 equal to 3 upon 5 or X equal to 4.8 centimeter. So this way you can apply directly, but go through the proof, write the proof yourself, learn it by heart and show it to me your copy.